Hello, this is the submission from Sri Chakrada Reddy and Sathvik for Lab 1 of Advanced Software Engineering. Let me take you through the following installations of the technologies. First of all, we'll see how to install GitHub Desktop on an Ubuntu machine. For Ubuntu Desktop is available as part of the ShiftKey desktop repository on GitHub. You can download the Debian image .deb and open that with either Software Center or use a command line to install with dpkg command. I have downloaded the deb package and opened it with the Ubuntu software and then just clicked on install. That installed the GitHub desktop, as you can see here. So this is the GitHub desktop. I have opened one of my repositories here. As you can see, I have one repository uploaded before into GitHub for CS 5560 submission. That is GitHub desktop. Going back to the next software. The second software is ZenHub plugin. So ZenHub plugin is available for Chrome. If you go to zenhub.com/extension, you can click on the Chrome Store button, and instead of remove from Chrome, you'll find add it to Chrome here, and then it gets added to the Chrome as an extension. You can manage the extension from the button here. So that's ZenHub extension. And coming to the Creately account, I had created a Creately account by going to creately.com. Let me open creately.com. So here is my account. So Creately can be used to create UML diagrams. So coming to WebStorm, because my laptop does not support high intensive processing and applications, and because it is a little old, I have installed Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code provides a similar IDE, and it has all the extensions that are available to customize as WebStorm does. This is the version details of Visual Studio Code. It is 1.14.1. Coming to the next software, it is Brackets. To install Brackets, you can go to brackets.io and download Brackets, and it will open with Ubuntu software installer. You can click on install, and there Brackets got installed on my laptop on Ubuntu. And coming to the next software, we have to install Node and npm first. To install Ionic, I have installed them using the command line. To install Node, I have used sudo apt-get install -y node.js. It installs npm also along with node.js. And to install Ionic, I have used sudo npm -g install Ionic. It installs Ionic globally. Whereas coming to the Git shell, I have used command line as well to install the Git shell, apart from the GitHub desktop. Yeah, signing off. Bye bye.